give it a shot. I can see. Another one. Oh, brook trout. No, is it cutthroat? It is brook trout. Come on over here, buddy. Oh yeah, nice brookie. With my hand. Oh, somebody foul hooked right there. Pretty brookie. Not bad too already. Maybe made a 6 cast. Missed a couple of them too. I don't mind brookies. Uh-oh, step on the line. Don't have to put the gloves on. Biting so good. Oh, another one. Dang, I missed that one. Got him. Right there. Jumper. I better reel it in this time. I wish I had more time. Got here 3 o'clock now. Just got here and I still gotta drive back home. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh. What is it? Hang on, buddy. Or maybe kokanee salmon. Hang on. Tough casting into the wind. A little more right side. Gotta sink longer. Got him. Please be a brookie. No rainbow. Buddy. Oh. Hang on. Hang on. See ya. Got another one. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. My hands don't have a time to dry out. Smile. Only thing is the casting is pretty tough. Almost a double hauling. I rarely do that. Come on, wind. More into the wind. Oh, I missed it. Wrong set, Andy. Wrong set. And make sure fly's not twisted. Nope, that's good. Oh, I got a brookie trout. Color's different. Nope. Time to get my hands wet now. 항상 여기 오래 살리라 아무도 잘했어. I gotta put this belt on. Got him. Come on, Bill Brookie. Another rainbow. Not good for my hip. Wet my hands again. A chunky one. He's been eating good. This guy's been eating better. Dang it. every other cast here. Getting bored. I need a bigger fish. Casting is really tough. I'm gonna go even deeper this time. Wait even longer. Cast that side. A bunch of them in front of me. Make sure I don't catch myself. The wind's coming my right side. Wind got it. 여름 저리 가고 하늘이 right there. Oh man, this is no fun. Catching too many. Catching too many. Come on, get off me, buddy. Well, my hand's still wet, so I can start pulling it up. 초목장에 여름철이 가고. See ya. Come on, I need a brook trout. Small strips this time. Had a bump. Had a bump. Yep, it was on it already. See, hand's still wet. Keep catching fish. And doesn't get cold. Boy, kimchi. Goodbye. I'm gonna catch more that side. The wind died down just a little bit. No bump this time? Come on. Okay, you already caught what, 15 here already? Son of a dog, almost every cast. I'll catch 40 fish an hour in this rate. Maybe even more. No bump, nothing. I'm gonna have to cast out here. Oh, there's one. Oh, son of a biscuit. He followed all the way in. I gave up too quick. It was rainbow though. Oh, dang it. I better check the fly. Probably twisted it. Fly's okay. Oh, wind too much sideways. 저 목장에는 여름철이 가고 산골짜기마다 눈이 덮여도 나 항상 여기 thought I missed that one too. 오래 살리라 목동안에 살아라. Ah, right there. Hang on, buddy. There we go. See ya. Bump. Got him. Ah, son of a biscuit. Must have got him. Ah, I lost it. Dang it, I thought I lost it. So, here's the one tip for you. So, wind's pushing the line this way. So, once you let it sink, line is coming this way. Oh, another bump. Slow down a little bit. He may be still chasing it. So lift slow. He may be still chasing it. Once in a while they do this. Got him, see? They follow all the way in. Well, not all the way. In. Come on, pure brook trout. So far, like a 15, 16 rainbow and one brook. This guy fights pretty good. Let me get off here. I want to move over there a little bit then. I gotta wind my hand again. My back hurts doing that. Oh, this is not a bad fish. One of the bigger ones I caught so far. Gotta move over a little bit. Probably got most of, uh-oh. Darn it. I've got the most of fish there already. Almost 20. Oh, this is a good one. Come on, Beer Brook trout. Not rainbow again. I did it my regrets. I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. Oh man. I did what I had to do, saw it through without exemption. Man, it's getting cold now. Oh, and this wind is getting, not only that, oh, fish, you better have. Fish there. I wasn't even paying attention. I hope my video is still going. It's pretty darn good. I'm using full extent though because the water's kind of tainted. And I love the white kimchi. Oh, this one's got more cutthroat in him. It's got more cut. I'll show you. See? Right there. Orange. It's got more cut in him. See ya. I know some of you are gonna probably complain, oh, Andy, stop whistling. Hey, people used to call me Whistling Samurai. Okay, this is another couple. Look at that. Lots of small dots. There. Wind's coming again. Headwind. Oh, they're right around the tree branch. Got him. Come on, Beer Brook Trout. Come on, Beer Brook Trout. No. Another rainbow. See ya. Okay, I'm getting tired of that with any boy. There's another one-star hole. There, oh, you son of a gun. Got him. Ah, I missed again. Oh, my feet are getting wet here. There it goes. Set it this way. Oh, sole mio. All right, nice couple. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Easy, easy, easy. There. Go that way. There we go.